What's up, everybody? Good morning, Pro Trader Mike. Let me get that to the main screen. Hope you had a good day yesterday. Did you miss me? Took a little break. Actually went down to South Beach. Took a little break. Went to this place called the Mining Store. It's pretty cool, man. Pretty cool. Yeah, so that was cool. I went down to this store in Miami yesterday called the Mining Boys. Let me show you. The Mining Boys. They know what they're talking about at the store. Right here, check it out. This is the store right there. That's where I was at yesterday. And they only have a couple of rigs running in the store, and they did the typical, 60,000 square foot available for hosting. And they showed me a picture of an empty warehouse and said, this is where we can put a lot of mining rigs. So, I've seen all those pictures. I have my own pictures, but they had a nice little store. And that's it. And they had a nice little store. I bought a shirt. And that was it. The Mining Boys. And it wasn't on the main street or anything like that. It was off behind a different street, kind of like hard to find. So I wouldn't have had it like that. But to each his own. So let's see what we have here. It is July 25th, Wednesday. You have the Dow at 25,241, the S&P at 2,820, the comp at 7,840. Holding steady and strong, new highs all around. And you also got the Bitcoin making new highs, as I said it would. All my people are in Bitcoin, all my subscribers. And it went up over 8,000. It's 8,209 right now. Bitcoin made a beautiful run in the last week. Dipped from off an original V-band 2 weeks ago. Let me show you the 2 week. Here's the original move right here. See it? This big volume bar on July 13th. And then it did a V-band spike right here 3 days later, July 16th. The price right there was 6,500, crossing mini highs, and that's where we were in. Then it did a spike move. Look at the highs through 7,000 right here. The biggest bar on the whole chart is through Heinz 7,000. And then it continued to roll. And then it went up Heinz 8,000, another biggest move right here. And it went all the way up to 8,340.20 a coin. Unbelievable move. And then you have Ethereum lagging at 468 and Litecoin at 86 and Zcash at 208 and Bitcoin Cash at 848. This has gone up 100 points since I got this one at 755. And let's see the Mojo room. Here's the room. Morning, everybody. In the Mojo room. We're going to have a great day today. Allen, Bailey, Bannatyne, Blair, Bohan, Brandon, Bustafoo, Jim, Jungle, Confused, Link, Merritt, Mike, Mikey D, and Jay, R. Todd, Scotty, William, all my traders. And then you got all these guys that could join the chat. Trader Knowles in the wrong one. Slide them up there. But they don't join over. These 27 people could come on over and listen, but I don't know what they do. And then these are just people offline that aren't here right now. Got about 1,000 large members of the MOJO Day Trade Room. GLW, $31 on a breakout. I could pick better ones though. Yesterday was a riot day. We traded riot. Made an incredible move right here. We were trading it in the low 7s. And it went to 855. Closed at 810. That was riot yesterday. Great stock to trade. We have this TORC at 20. Codex at 4. CHFS, IRBT, OASM. So we're just going over the morning scan, the gappers right here. VICR, and just putting them in order as they are on the high-low list and the gainers over there. Every platform has a gainers. You can go to Yahoo Finance and get the morning gainers there, or any site has a gainers list. SSC. Blink charging's back up there at 370. I love that one. All right, that's enough right there. Pull up this one real quick. $14 on ATTU. I'll put that one up there. Audio codes. Big time breaking out. Blink, I like the Blink. Blink's looking hot to trot. 380. So I got the watch list this morning. AWX at 330. And Blink at 375. 380. So Blink at 380. I got the watch list going. Let me just post that on my Twitter. 725 Mojo Watch. And then I got, what's today? Today is Wednesday, free chat Wednesday. I can put that in. That's done. So yesterday we traded a little riot. I'll show you, but you scroll back up a little bit. Okay, so here's where we got yesterday, 9:25 a.m., just like it is now. And we rocked it with Riot at 763 right there. See it? Right on the open, up $1. Got Riot made on the first trade off 15,000. Then I had 8,000 left, sold 7. Then I sold half of that, made $2,800 on the first trade in the first bang right there. I went poof, poof, boom, nailed it. 500, 500, 19,000, boom, like that. Stock ran, sold it off immediately, held, ran that baby with 2,000 left, made $3,000 with an unrealized 452. And then I tagged along Mara at 142 to soar through 150 right here. Mara with a big wall. Big old ask on the level 2 means it's bullish. It's going higher, not lower. Even though there's a wall of sellers and a large support, it's going higher. It's not going lower. And if you listen to me and not everyone else that would teach you level 2, you would have made a score through 145 on that. I got 20,000 Mara at 144, up $300 only. It hasn't moved yet, only 1 penny. Watch. Then it goes 47, 48. Look at the size of the asks. Okay? Then it goes 152 in a matter of a minute. Look, 939, 140. It's at 152 by 153. See? Quick, just like that. And then it goes 155, 156. Nice trade. And then Bitcoin sold 3/4 of it at 82.44, putting it into Litecoin at 88, and Litecoin ran up into the 90s. Realized yesterday 4,400. Riot was down 500, but we made that back. And that's it. And that's how we rock and rolled yesterday. It was a great day. Grow's looking good. At 227 by 203 with a 20-cent spread and 2,000 shares. Yesterday traded 1.4 million. Yeah, it looks all right. Put it up on the screen. So we got this AWX. We got TOR, it's the #1 guy up there. $20.70. Stock went from 9 to 20. Look at that. Okay, what I'm going to do is when the market starts right here in the next minute, I'm going to leave the screen open. I'm going to be disappeared, and so is my name, but I'm going to leave this open. You can watch the live trading. I'm not going to shut it off, but it's delayed by 12 seconds. So if you want the live trading, watching my screen in real time, it's 9:27:53 now. It's not 9:27:34, and those 30 seconds is vital in trading. You really need to do that. So you can come to the MOJO Day Trade room, and you can check out subscriptions right here up at the top, and you could join for a subscription to the MOJO Day Trade room. If you do the simulator and pay for the feed, you get the real-time level 2 and the cost. I train you for 1 month, and you get the MOJO Day Trade room as free as well, another $99 bonus. So check out the subscriptions, come and join, and I'll see you guys later. I'm going to leave the stream live. Hey guys, it's Mike. So I'm back. We're in AWX right now. Own that thing at 348. And JNUG at 13. Some people got that. It's at 1307. Looking for another one. Stock's got a signal at 15. All right, here goes AWX. This one has a signal at 15. See it at 14.99. ATTU. DWT's Heinzing 7. DWT 7. And then you have, what's the other one? Right here, 14.98 on the ATTU going through. Heinz. Signal at 99. Beautiful movement there. AWX, I'm going to bump it down here at 27. Expecting an 18. What else we got? What else we got? That OASM died a little bit. ATTU's holding. Slow. See what baby's doing. 36.10 by 50. No thanks. JNUG 1308. Up another penny. Only getting pennies. DWT up another penny. 704. 705 new high. Yeah, there is. Yes. Audio working fine. XNet's moving. Told you, expect 18. 1154 by 59. And they ain't giving me shit. Google's up 1985. Nothing's really moving big. Penny here, penny there. Don't touch this IRBT. It's up $13. ATTU, I'm up a little bit in that. It's moving. 1505 at Heinz. 1511. Only got 1,000. Yeah, it's moving. I got 1,000. Heinz. 1995 on Cool. Cool went through 20. Wow, everything's slow as crap. DWT went up 5 cents and came right back down. ATTU stuck at 15 right here, and it should go to 25. Just be patient. They're taking in size. It went 1486 back to 1501. Told you. Told you. It's a little trick. I told you. Just be patient. See, I told you. Here goes AWX. Huge move. AWX, big move. Told you. Have a lot of shares too. 1548 ATTU. Up 250 on ATTU at 1498. Got ATTU at 1498 right here, 1,000. Haven't taken any profits yet, just being real patient. It's at 29 by 39. Cool is at 2050 now. See it? Sick move in that one. Didn't buy it, but it's a sick move. ATTU doing, oh look, this, they knocked down the split, knocked it down again. He'll come right back up for some. Choo-choo. All right, come on, AWX. See a rip. That's pretty much it. We're waiting on AWX to rip up. We're waiting on, what else? That's it. MDXG. MDXG. 410 by 11. V-band spike. MDXG. Yeah. No other trade ideas scanner or any other day trade room has this stock yet. None. I'm the first one. ATTU came down. Maybe we should buy it again. It's going to go back to 1520. Viker's at 60. Look at that. Can't touch it though. AWX, I own at 32. You want to get an auto close here? Let's do an auto close on CHFS. $170 and below. Biker made a big move. DWT again through 7. Didn't give much the first time though. Wouldn't expect much the second time. XNet looks good, but it's got no volume. Apron's right at $3. Yeah, it's got volume 292. Times 4 codecs. Yeah, not a lot of volume though. All right, here comes AWX. I got a bunch of that. Come on, baby. Got 25,000 AWX. Come on, AWX. Look at it. 35, 37. Getting on the ask at 39. Here we go. Good job, Alan. You'll be up next right here. Undercut 38. There you go. Leave it. Here they come. Told you, just be paid. Here they come. There's your 38, 39. Told you, sold. 15,000 left. Told you. Told you. Beautiful. Great job. Oh, yeah. Got it at 332. My average, 15,000 left. Going to buy some back. Yeah, big. It's all right. Sweaty hands, profits. Got to go red a little bit to go green sometimes. All right, fill me up, baby. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm taking some. Thank you. Filled. Come on. 15. There we go. Someone bid a big short against us, I think. They're going to pay for it. Come on, Mousy. Got one more pop. Average is 317. 3174 average. TVIX 3610. Up over here. What happened on there? Holy crap, I've never seen something like that on the what happened with TVIX? Saying it did a gap dump. I'd never seen that before. Let me look at it on here, see if it's the same. Yeah, look. And the market's red. Oh, we're going to have to take some TVIX. Right here. Too many red bars. Go long. Come on, AWX. I got it at 317. All right, filled 3608. Filled entry. On TVIX. I'm up on the CHFS. I gotta get rid of it because I have no shares. CHFS, you guys can do what you want with. My DWT rebuy, I'm getting rid of that, freeing up some buying power. Here goes TVIX. Trying. Come on, 20s. Ah, you suck. Buying more. And the Dow's down 55. Hold, TV, hold. 3609 average. Average. Dow's down 51 too. Come on, AWX. Triangle back up. ATTU. 1508. Not doing much again. Volume slowed. Look at TV still fine, 36. They're holding it here. It dumps, it's going to 77, so you gotta wait. TV's moving a little bit. Come on. 15. Yep, came back down. Here it goes. Come on now. 10. Own it at 9. 3609. V-Ray's moving. Not interested. Stay with my loser right here with TVIX and AWX. Patience. They just shorted that 3601. See that? They shorted that. Signal at 20 on ATTU still. Biker went through 61. Amazing. Dow's down 40. Only now S&P went up a point. Dow came back 15. That's why the holds here on TV. Patience. Patience. Wait for the triangle. They did it, yes. All they did is bring it down. I've never seen a chart like this before. I guess this was yesterday at the end of the day, and then it started here, so they had to bring it back down to make it even. And now they're rocking it back up. I've never seen a chart like that. Look, 36.10, 36.11. Here we go. Here we go, baby. You ever seen a chart like that before? On UV? Never. TV up 90, up 130 at 4,000 shares. Up 170. Got 4,000 at 36.09. First green bar. Come on now. See that? Beautiful. Dow's down 59. It went from 41 to 60. It just dropped 20 points. S&P dropped 0.5. See that? Big red bar drop. Nvidia is a short under 248. Nvidia 248 short. Told you. It's going lower. Reverse Hines. And here goes TV up 250, up 330. Nice green bar on UV. TV 36.19 now. Own it at 9, up 410. Come on, baby. $22 by 25, up 530. ATTU, real nice. 31 on ATTU. 39 heading into the 40 signal on ATTU. UV heading into 30. TV heading into 30. 4,000 TV up 610. Selling 1,000 right here. Selling 1,000. Beautiful job. See that? How it works, guys. And then you got AWX right here, 313. My average is 315 on a big freaking block. Come on, baby. $315 average on AWX. Still got TV left. 3609. Need a new cup of coffee. CHFS, new high up here too, went to 70s and change. Good job on this one. CHFS on the auto close trade play right here that we nailed down at 68. Pretty much I got some TVIX left. If it comes down, we'll rebuy. Otherwise, we're selling up here at 29 and 30 again. Here we go, 315 on AWX. Come on, baby. Turn that red into a green. Here goes TVIX. Come on, baby. Here we go. 32, 33, 35. Dow's down 50. What a turnaround, up 485 on 2,000 left. Oh, AWX is going to pop right now. Got right there. 2,000 left, selling 500. Sold 500. 1,500 left. Keep it above 30 right here. 1,000 left.
Yes. Yeah. Well, yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Patience. Got 1,000 left. ENDP. This one. Gonzo. Gonzo on ENDP at 1189. Gonzo lemon squeeze, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, take Mojo University and pass on the freaking trade play. Gonzo lemon squeeze on ENDP at 1189. Right there. See it? ENDP. Now, no one would in their right mind would buy this right here, but we are. Because the big ask is bullish. And it's going to go through that and go to $12. If I'm right, you come take my course and say, man, I would have made money and listened to that. No way in my right mind would I ever have bought in this stock with 1.2 million shares on the ask. But watch. Okay? Watch. Cool is 21. Just went through 21. Here comes AWX 15. Get the fuck ready. Time to make some money. Dow's down 61. Still holding 1,000 TVIX. Here we go, boys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this, will you? You ready? Look at this. Bang zoom. Told you. Beautiful thing. They got to clear out some mojo first before she goes higher. Sorry, boys. 35 on TVIX, still holding. There you go. TVIX still holding. CHFS, new high 177. CHFS with a wall at 79.80, going to go through. It's bullish. It's going to go higher, reading the level 2 on CHFS right here. See it? CHFS. See that? 178, 179, ripping. See that? Gone. Big ask. Bullish. Reading level 2. 182 now. See? Told you. Told you. Another signal at 85. Big win on CHFS off the auto close where everyone lost their position right here at 68 and we took it. Thank you. Nah. Nah.
No. For the last time, no.
Just join the Mojo room, boys. TVIX still holding 1,000 shares at 36.09. See? Look. Up 282 unrealized. Still holding 1,000 shares at 36.09. It's 36.44. Selling right here, 500. CHFS new high 182. AWX moving like a beast. Sold TVIX 500. On the ask, it's CHFS. On the ask, selling right now. Sell CHFS. Sold TVIX 500. Got 500 left at 36.09 right here. Up $1,000 on a small little trade of TVIX I made today. $1,000 just on that one trade. And it wasn't a lot of shares. I think I had 4,000. Now I have 500 left. Made $1,000. Done for the day on one trade. That's all you had to do. All you had to do. Yesterday it ripped the same. Great trade. So some traders are like real happy, and some traders are real mad. And if you're a real mad trader, then you're in the wrong room or just not following the right systems, man. 184, partial fill. Sold 184 on CHFS. Sold. Told you. Everyone that's reading the level 2, you're paying Mojo Day Traders all day long. All day long. And I'm live. My video bit rate's too high on this one thing. I gotta change it. Gotta change it to 896. My encoder settings. I'm not that far off. TVIX selling another little snagger here. 74. We'll sell half. Trail stop 36.71. Trail the rail. ENDP still there. Nothing happened with that one. Still at 89 with the Gonzo. Dow's down 87 now. The S&P's negative. Something happened. What happened right there? That's pretty big drop. Pretty big drop. We got this guy in the room, Siglu, listening to me. See if he answers me back. Patience. Patience. I need another cup of coffee. And go get one. Hey everybody, it's Pro Trader Mike. I'm back. Got some coffee, got some things moving, beautiful. You know, now that my trading's pretty much over, didn't make a lot of money today at all, really. More in commissions, I think, actually. But went to the store, the mining store yesterday, and you know, they said they had this big warehouse and storage and big time. I saw 2 machines. One was in a case, and the other was on like a rack, kind of like I had. And when I looked at them, the ones on the racks had dust all over. As soon as I walked in the store, I looked at the card. I said, dude, there's dust all over the cards. He says that's from 2 days. And he had this can, you know, you spray your computers with, right? He had the can, and he's like, yeah, dude, he's so full of shit. And I'm like, dude, you can get this electric one. He's like, oh, I like the cans. I got a lot of them and shit. Meanwhile, he must sit back there and freaking huff on them and shit. Okay? So meanwhile, there was so much dust on the cards. I'm like, 2 days? But didn't make sense. So that's bullshit. Okay? Yeah. It's for sure. So he's like, we don't use any air conditioning. All airs and airflow and shit like that. And he had this one rig running there with 6 cards, 7 cards in the rig, and they were real close together. And I'm like, doesn't it? Because mine I have 4 1080 Ti's that they run a little hot because they're very, very close together. He had 1060s, 4 gigabytes. They don't run like 1080 Ti's, so you're not going to get that juice and that power of power going through as you would on a lot double the wattage going through the machine, and the cards run like beasts and produce tremendous amount of heat. And he had the one machine, and yeah, he had such fan power on it, and it was cool. Absolutely. Couldn't agree with those mining boys 100%. And my one rig right here in my office, no problem. I got a little fan next to it. Doesn't heat up anything. I got 2 in my garage right now. But I have a warehouse of 30 of them. Once you get one rack, dude, you don't need no air conditioning. Absolutely. And I would preach it. Once you get 20 rigs, yeah, it gets a little warm. A little warm. Once you go to 30 rigs, you can't do it without a combination of evaporative air and circulation, because so much heat is coming into the facility that it has to be exhausted and conditioned. So it goes to show me that you ain't having 300 GPUs in a room without any air conditioning and ambient facilitation. ENDP's looking okay. Not looking. It's looking Looking Oh, they tweened out 10,000 of the Gonzo, bruh. See that? Cool is still moving. Yeah, dude, I'm adding ENDP. Look at that, Alan, huh? Just as you now, it's looking good, kid. See? No one would have believed. And they probably shorted it against us. You know what I'm saying? No one would have believed that that stock would have gone through that wall, that Gonzo. You know what I'm saying? My patented trade called Gonzo. It's a Gonzo. My patented trade play. I'll show you. Gonzo. See, right here. This is the Gonzo. It's so cool. Pro Trader Mike named one of his trade plays after me. I wonder what it means. It's a pre-move indicator inside the level 2, resulting in a really big winner. You should learn that in the Mojo University courses. Dow's down 90. TVIX 3670 still holding where it is. ENDP looking good. All right, let's see what the others are doing. ATTU 1530. CHFS came back down. MDXG did nothing really. DWT back to 704. Could sell that one again. AWX back down to 309. You can buy some of that again. Sell it back at 15. And that's pretty much it. Made 1,600 today. Not a lot, but hey, yes, they've been really good days lately. Didn't go so hard and heavy today. Let's see what I did here, because I had that one bump earlier. Yesterday was 77.70, 77.84 the day before. A very close trade, probably very similar. See the 77.70 to the 77.84, same time frame, same amount of shares, very consistent in the journal. Then 49.47, look, 78.40. See, every trade, all the share size is the same. So it's producing the same amount of profit on the same move every time. See? 78.40, 77.70, 77.84. Right there. To the dollars. Very consistent trading. See, 24.91, 25.90 on a half day. That's slow. The slow days are very consistent. The bigger days are very consistent. So you know you're making pretty big and pretty nice. And right now I'm around there, 24. I should get around 2,400. This AWX makes another nice move up. And ENDP looking pretty solid and spanky. 90 now. 91, 92, 93. Here she goes. How we do it. Twitter just Heinz 43. Taking off CCTL and MAR and DPW. Make a new list. Let's go Twitter. TVIX. Put up Riot. What other stocks do I like? That's it. DWT. There you go. So yeah, guys, you know, 1 rig, 2 rigs, it's no problem, man. Easy to control. You can't even really tell they're there. 5 rigs, no problem. Now you're a big shot. 10 rigs, it's starting to get warm. You need 3.5 tons of air at that point. 20 rigs, you need 5 tons of air. 30 rigs, you need 8 tons of air. 50 rigs, you need 10 tons of air. 100 rigs, you need 20 tons of air. Try running a warehouse with 100 rigs. You know what's pretty funny is the Bitmain going down. That's funny because I called that a while ago. Bitmain. Let me show you. They're moving into artificial intelligence. They'll be banging on my door soon. So here's the ant miner. The artificial intelligence, they got a whole thing on that. So you got the SHA 256. This is $261. These things used to be $1,000, folks. You know how much you make off this machine? the Antminer T9. Let's go with this one. So these are what they all have. With a PSU. They used to sell them without the PSU. Now they have to give them away with the PSU. So let's say you spend $500, just like one graphics card right here, $564. The Antminer S9i. It doesn't give any specs. The Antminer S9. Click certificate of product. Here it is. No specs. Coupons. Nope. Where's the specs? How much mega hash does it put out? Doesn't say. Used to say. It's a guess now. How about they got the Echo hash. Antminer Z9. Still good. I may get one or two of those. You can make your money back pretty quickly. So let's go mine some Bitcoin, and we'll go right here, and we'll take this S9i, 14 terahash. That's it, with a PSU. So there you go, 14 terahash on the S9i. That's it. So 14 terahash. Let's go right here. And Bitcoin, and we're going to put in 14 terahash. The power consumption on that is, I'll tell you right now, with the PSU, $654 it costs. Power is, it doesn't say. I think it's the same as a right, 1,000 watts. Cost per watt, 12 cents. Done. Making $78 a month. $2.63. So you're making $78 a month. It costs $654. So you're at 654 divided by 78. 8.3 months to make that back. Mining Bitcoin. So you're mining Bitcoin, making $2.63 a day after electric. Without electric, you're making $5 a day on that machine. And that's all that machine can do. It's called an ASIC, an application-specific integrated circuit. It's meant to accomplish and do one task only, one algorithm. So if that algorithm changes or the difficulty changes on them, it affects the power of the machines. And there's some companies like this, and I called it, I said they're growing way too fast. Guys are coming in with millions of dollars without researching how it's done and what it's really all about. Hashflare right here, news, they shut down their Bitcoin operation. Shuts down Bitcoin mining right here, look. Hashflare allowed people to rent on their Bitcoin network right here. Because of the costs were fixed more than the value of the rewards, these agreements involve risks. Hashflare said on Friday the daily fees have exceeded customer returns for 28 consecutive days, triggering a clause that allows them to terminate the contracts. To users refunding the remaining portion of the annual contract, which they've done. And this was at 6,500. Now it's at 8,500. And it's like, dude, they got auto closed. Sucked out right at the bottom, spit on right back up. They wish they could turn those machines back on right now and get all those customers back. Okay? But they got ASIC specific, application specific machines that can't do anything. And these things right here, you're making $5 a day on a whole machine. I have 7 cards per machine I can make right here. Show you right here. I built 7 cards a machine. So I can come to my crypto mining calculator. I come up here to my 1070s. I put in 200 of those. I'm right here. These are my, if I did NeoScript, Equihash, 97,000 souls there. I'm a Lyra Skunk Hash, XVon, Lyra 2, HQ. I'm at 960 mega hash right there. So you have to know what these numbers are so you can figure out what your profitability is on coins to mine. So most profitable coin to mine at this particular moment, I'm making on Espers $1.06 per GPU. That's two on 7 of them. 7 GPUs times 106 is 742 a day versus $5.51 a day with Bitcoin machine is $1.91 difference. $51 divided by about a 27% difference. Zencash is around $1, and I have 1080 Ti's. Those are even more profitable. The 1080s are $1.49 on BZL coin, and same Espers is $1.48. So 148 times 7. My rig makes $10.36 a day versus a Bitcoin mining rig, which makes $5 a day. So double the amount my rigs make. At one point, it was different. They made a lot. They were making more, but I knew more machines would come on the network. It's one coin, one algorithm, and you can't switch. And then everybody comes here and they're like, oh, I'm going to mine BZL coin. Well, no, you're not. Look, it's $1.49. You know you're not. Oh, I'm going to go mine the most profitable coin. Well, how are you going to sell it? It's only traded $19 US on that exchange. How are you going to sell it after you mine hundreds of dollars a day, thousands of dollars? You can't. It's made for really small miners. So you got to mine coins that you believe in, that are really good, that have great future potential and are really nice, like this coin that I'm starting here in August, and I'm going to show you how to build a smart node in it. It's called a smart node because it's called smart. I'll show you. All coins. SMART. Smart Cash. Right here. So they have a market cap of 84 million. Volume per day is 3 million US. Really nice. And the total maximum supply and everything. And you go to the web, ranked 108th. I like that. Let me show you Smart Cash. Mark, pay attention, and the other miners. What is Smart Cash? It's the smart hive. It's an incentivized, decentralized community pursuing a very ambitious development schedule, constantly improving. It's a great team, unbelievable roadmap. It's a community, governance, cooperation, growth-focused blockchain with currency and a decentralized economy. See, we got 30% go to the miners and the smart nodes, and 70% go to the hive and the teams and the community. What is Smart Cash? Join the Smart Cash community right here. See? We work daily to expand the offering. Smart Cash roadmap. I mean, it's an impressive website, impressive team. They're on track. They've been accomplishing what they've done for a long time. All these things and projects. They have a tremendous expansion of wallets and node client right here for the smart node activation. This is what I'm doing right here. and all the different exchanges they trade on. So that's very, if you mine it and build up a lot of coin, AWX, guys, here it goes. I'm getting filled. AWX 317 by 19, guys. See that 300 NITBB down there at 308. See that, right? 319, 317. I got 20,000 shares, been sitting on it. Got to get orders in. Cool. See that 308 down there? That's an NITBB. He's coming up. Now they're taking the 20s. Making a lot of money here, guys. Up 1,100. I lost originally on it. Now I'm coming back. Beautiful. I already lost $1,000 on it, but now I've made it back up 500. I got 20,000 at 15. Loving it. 18 by 19. Look at that. Big size. The 18 and the 8 came up, and American Stock Exchange is on the bid now. A good sign. So this smart cash is hooked up with a lot of excellent scenarios and opportunities. And if you come into the crypto mining, I'll show you the chart on it. Coins. SMART. I see it. It's 21. Okay. So smart cash right here is a key CAC algorithm. So there's no Bitcoin mining machines that are getting on key CAC to mess with me, or no ASICs to get on that network and mess with the key CAC algorithm. Okay. So I like that. Block reward is 6188 and 55-second block time. Network is hash rate and the difficulty in the last block. And here's the chart on it right here. It's pretty consistent, 6 months. You can see it's at 0.09. It's going to Heinz 10 cents. See it? It's going to go up here. It's going to Heinz. It's going to fill in this gap all the way up here. So I'm going to be able to take it all the way to the top of 25 and into 30, and 3 times the money that I make mining and holding this coin. And I'm going to be a node on it for a year, and I'm not going to do anything for it for a year, but just mine the coin and hold the coin. It's called Smart Cash. And I could see people going, hey, do you accept Smart Cash? It's like a coin that could easily be acceptable. It's not like I'm going to go pay with Cumulo coin. Who's going to do that? Bad name, Qumglo. Smart cash, fast cash. Those would be more adaptable kind of scenarios. Sold 5,000 AWX. Sold 5,000. It's 325 by 29. I got it at 15. I got 10,000 left. Selling 2,000 right here. 8,000 left. $328 by $329. Beautiful. Sold a little bit more here. Look at this. Beautiful. 2,000 right there. See that? Beautifulness. Great trading right there. There's Allen. Patience. They'll take you. Boston undercut you. He'll take you right out. Just patience for a second. There you go. They're taking you now. They're sold. Allen sold. Great job, Allen. Great job, dude. I know when different market makers come up on different firms. Selling 2,000 more. You go first, I go next. What other room moderator would let their traders sell first? Then I go. None. It's the other way around. They buy it first and then tell you guys to buy, and you get them out with liquidity. You're holding the stock up here, and then they're out on profits, and you're in with a loss. And they're using your money to take money. It's disgusting. $33 by $35. I have 6,000 left at 15. I got 6,000 left at 15. It's 332. Look at UV. TV Hines. TV Hines, 36.90. Gonna rip it through. See what they do. Told you. Rip 37, baby. Rip it. Big money. Pay me 1,000. Pay me 1,000. Up 1,000. Come on, baby. Rip that 37. AWX moving. Unrealized 900. Here we go. Dow's down 70. Come on, 37 rip. Here we go, baby. Dang, rabbit. AWX. Right here, boys. Look at it. AWX, 336. 6,000 left. AWX. Up unrealized 1,100 on AWX. Right there, boys. 6,000 left. Unrealized 1,100. Realized 400. What do I got? TVIX. Let's go add. Average is 75 on TVIX. Come on, baby. 75 average on TVIX. Put that up right here. Go to the 1 minute chart. See the big rise up right there? We got that one through 37. Now we're in it again, ready to rise up. Average is 73 on TVIX. AWX got 6,000 left. Up 1,000 on AWX. Come on, fill TV. No fill. Buying the ass. Filled. Average is 63 on TVIX. Setting up some sells here and another buy. Okay. Nope, not moving. ENDP. I made money on ENDP earlier. Average on TV is 57. AWX. Not selling. There we go. Come on, take that 39.40. AWX, they're trying at 40. Look, 38. It's trying. Patience, I got 3,000 left, but I'm in TVIX bigger. Average is right here. I got 6,000 TVIX. $70. Go, baby. I got 3,000 AWX. I'll show you. I got 3,000 AWX at 15 and 6,000 TVIX. I lost 180 on DWT, made 970 on ENDP, CHFS 20, and ATT. Did good on that Gonzo. One pop, that sucker. All right, TVIX selling 1,000 right here. Sold 1,000 TVIX. Got 5,000 left. Selling right here, 500. Here it is, 89, selling 500. Come on. There we go, sold 500, 4,500 left. Going through 37, new high coming, here it comes. Come on, baby, rip it. Up 1,800, 1,700, selling 500. Come on, baby. Filled 500, 4,000 left. Come on, 37. AWX 43, 44. Hines TVIX, here it goes, selling a little bit here. 500, 37.04, 37.05, sold 500. 37.13, 37.19, another 500. Sold 500. Nice. Good job. Nice. Great trade. And TV, I'm flat on. AWX, I'm getting flat on the last 2,000 as well. Nice. Turned a $1,000 day into a really good day. Lost on one, won on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very consistent to all the other days. But it just took me a little bit longer to do it. Boom. Oh, I'm in the profit album. Shit. You guys didn't tell me I was in the wrong thing. Damn. Been in the wrong channel. Thanks for telling me. Appreciate it. You guys are really helpful. Appreciate that. Appreciate it. Big help. The room's a real big help. Yeah, I was in the other channel posting up some shit. It's all good. Made money. 68.07. Tough day. Realized from 1,000 last freaking hour was great. First hour sucked. DWT is moving 710 now. See it? 712 rocking DWT. Anybody want to come and join the MOJO Day Trade Room? Just go to my website, mojodaytrading.com. Click the subscribe button. You can see the importance of reading level 2. And let me show you the website. MOJODayTrading.com. Click subscribe at the top. First thing you should do is check out the day trading school if you're interested in day trading. It's a $998 school. I'm giving it away for free. Download the course and start watching right there. That's what you should do. And then if you like that as well, subscribe to the room. Click subscribe up top. Give you all 4 of my services, crypto and day trading channels in the chat room. You also get the newsletters, everything, and a bonus level 2 video right there, all for $99 a month. If you're a student, click right here, student discount, and you'll get a $49 rate. This is $99, student discount $49. You still get all the bonuses. You want to do it annually, best value, $49 a month right there, 50% off. So I'd like to see you in the room, and you too can day trade for a living. Most of the other services out there are swing trading with charts. They don't in the trenches telling you they're in this many shares, they're selling 500, they're selling 500. They're like, oh, trade's over, this is what I made. If you did it, great. If not, take my course. But they just lost all their money, so how are they going to take your course? So that's what you guys need to be recognizing, that I'm in the trenches. All the other rooms, okay, put them up in a 1, 2, 3, 4. The first guy isn't even in his room. He's on the beach and traveling. He's got other things happening, not calling out trades or positions. His other comrade is in the room, but doesn't give in position trading. It's after the fact. He's in and always after the fact, a la front running. And then you have, that DWT's running. And then you got the other guy who has 4 moderators in the room. Himself, small cap specialist, options specialist, large cap specialist, penny stock specialist, calling out room picks. Well, with the first guy called out the pick, I did that. I'm stuck in that one. 9 other ones came through. I couldn't do any of them. So it really doesn't help me, that kind of scenario as well. And that's what most of the rooms are. The guys aren't in the trenches working and making it happen, man. V-Ray went through 12, now it's through 13. Son of a gun, huh? Didn't stop from 12, now it's 13. In a sick rail grind on the 15-minute, didn't budge out of there. Look at that. Look at this rail grind on V-Ray in the 15-minute. Astronomical, man. Great job on AWX. Great job on V-Ray, Gerardo, that you traded that. Great job. Yeah, you did great on that. So listen, guys, thank you so much. I got some things going on today with the mining and the warehouse I'm going to be heading to this afternoon. So keep it profitable, keep it safe, and I'll see you on the next MOJO Day Trading show.